Hopefully, you'll never experience a flat tire while driving. If you do, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance is your best bet for getting back on the road quickly. But for those instances where it may not be possible, or you prefer to do it yourself, you should have a good understanding of how to change a tire. To help be prepared for events such as a flat tire, consider purchasing a VW Roadside Assistance Kit from the Volkswagen Parts and Accessories e-store or your local authorized dealer. If you experience a flat while driving, your first order of business is safety. Pull over to a well-lit area as far off the roadway as possible. Turn on your emergency flashers. Park on firm, level ground. Make sure your wheels are pointed directly forward. Put the vehicle in park or in gear for manual transmissions. Apply the emergency brake. Turn the ignition off. Any passenger should exit the vehicle and move as far away from moving traffic as possible. Anytime you are changing a tire near a roadway, set up a warning device approximately 25 yards behind the vehicle. If the flat is on the driver's side of the vehicle, it is not recommended you attempt to change the tire with passing traffic nearby. Call Volkswagen Roadside Assistance at 1-800-411-6688, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We hope you never experience a flat tire. If you do change your own tire, be certain to review your owner's manual for important information and warnings.